Did you know that if you have any type of email account, any type at all, Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, the chances are you've got money sitting there that you didn't even know you had? In fact, you may be unknowingly deleting the ones that you could be selling for $20 on repeat. $20, $20, $20. You could also have an old email account that you've long forgotten about, and there could be literally hundreds of dollars sitting in there waiting for you to cash it in. So while you've been depressed being broke and scrambling around looking for ways to make easy money, you've probably had hundreds upon hundreds of dollars sitting at your fingertips all this time and you didn't even know about it. All you're gonna need to do to get this money into your account is to go to your spam or junk email, select everything, and that's it. And there's no catch, there's no fees, there's no cost to you. Yes, it's completely free, and this can be done from anywhere in the world. If you think you might have any junk emails sitting there that have anything to do with any of these subjects, which pretty much covers the whole spectrum, then you're gonna wanna keep watching this video because I'm gonna show you how to turn those spam emails into real cash. Okay, right now I want you to go into your email and I want you to scroll down to where it says trash or spam. Go ahead and click on it, and if there's anything sitting there, you just made some money. Yes, you can sell these spam trash emails. Now you might be asking yourself, who's dumb enough to pay me for my junk emails? Well, it's these people right here. These guys are apparently dumb enough to do it. So dumb, in fact, that they're passing out $20 Visa gift cards just for your junk emails. They're even gonna pay you for this stuff too. You know, the stuff you get in the mail, the junk, you know, the crap, the junk. Like, do they think I'm gonna fall for this? Do you think I'm gonna fall for this? No. Now I'm gonna send it back and get paid for it. They'll pay for the postage too. And why do they want to pay us for all this? Who cares? I'm not asking any questions. Fact of the matter is, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Okay, they just want stuff that has to do with pretty much anything. You know, credit cards, banking, travel and leisure. How many credit card offers do you get in the mail? I get probably at least 2 a week. But now I'm just gonna sell them to this company. And don't worry about your privacy. They got that covered. See, they are going to get rid of name, address, phone number, account, anything important. They will get rid of that before the content is analyzed. This is basically going to help shape the future of marketing within the insurance and financial industry. Sounds kind of boring, but they're paying us cash, $20 Visa gift cards. All you need to do to get started is to fill out this very basic information. You know, they're making it for people like me at least. You know, I don't want to fill out a bunch of crap before I start making the money. So this is about as simple as it gets. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to take full advantage of it. I got a little hack for you that's going to triple your money. That's coming at the end of the video, so watch all the way through. Now I want you to write in the comment section, I want you to tell me what is the strangest or most bizarre spam email you've ever received. I can tell you mine. For years I used to get spam emails from some place called like Swimmer Boys or something like that, and you'd open them, it would be pictures of guys in swimsuits. So no clue how I started getting those emails. I must have visited a rather dodgy site at some point. Who knows? But tell me in the comments what yours is. I'm curious. Before I reveal this site to you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. This is Online Moneymaker. So the site we'll be using today is called the Small Business Knowledge Center, and they can be found at sbkcenter.com. These are the crazy folks that want to pay you for your spam/junk emails and even your junk mail. So you can learn more about this site. You are not a consumer, you are a producer. So you hit learn more here. And as a producer, you'll get paid to send them, just forward them your junk emails. You can also request to send them your junk mail. They will send you a prepaid stamped envelope. All you need to do is fill out this basic information. Okay, now it's time to shoot a money rainbow out of your ass because I'm about to get to the hacks that I have to do this. I've got 2 different ways for you to increase your money on this website. However, first, we are going to live open this piece of junk mail, the one that I should be sending in for some money, but I'm not, because look at how they try to trick you here. They try to make it look like all official, like this is expedited. Yeah, horse shit. Let's see what it is. Hold on a second. Let's see what this is. I'll bet it's some sort of offer here. Yes, it's win a Chevrolet. I can win a Chevy. I'm glad that this was expedited because I would have never known I could win a damn Chevy. So the first thing you need to do to hack this whole system is to go back in here and look at what kind of spam emails they want, what they're going to pay for. And as you can see, there's a ton of them, okay? They're not necessarily going to pay you for every single spam email. So all you need to do when you're sending it to them is just select all like that, and then they'll give you the email address to forward them to, and they will pay you. So as you can see from my personal email account here, this is my spam. I don't have too many. I've only got 4 spam emails. So the first one should be obvious. You can go back into your regular inbox and you can select any of these emails, and then this is Gmail at least, and then you can just move them into a spam folder. Okay, so you can, number one, you can transfer any of your regular emails into spam and send it to them, okay? The next thing you can do is just get all your friends to, again, just go into their spam email. This is all they need to do, okay? Just go into their spam. Again, just have them select it all and forward all those to you, okay? And those will come right, so that's a way to get more emails. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is create an email just for spam, okay? You probably have your own primary email account, but you wanna create one that is just gonna be for spam. You're not gonna give this out to friends or family or anything, and that's very easy to do. Just go to createyourowngoogle.com, create an email just for spam. Now with that new email address, that's what you're gonna use to do all your purchases, everything you do besides email between friends, okay? So if you're gonna book a trip, see here, Travel and Leisure, if you're gonna book a trip, if you're gonna do any kind of shopping online or anything like that, this is the email you're gonna use. Then you're gonna have all this spam email centered in one place, one address, okay? But you can expedite this process also. So let's say, I know that, let's say credit cards are in here somewhere. So what you would do, go to Google and type in apply for a credit card, okay? Just apply for a credit card, and you're gonna see all the different options that come up here. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna see all these, Capital One, Bank of America, Visa, all these. Now, credit card companies are notorious for sending out spam emails, and it just happens to be one of the main ones that this website wants to pay for. So you're just gonna go to each one of these and apply. Now you can put in fake information on everything here, okay? Once you go through the application process, just put in fake information all the way until they want your email address. Then put in that email address that you just started that's just for spam, and watch how many emails you are going to get from them every single day. So just go back through and do that for all the different credit card companies that want your information. Collect those spam emails, highlight them, forward them to the website, get paid $20 on repeat every time. So I hope this was valuable information to you. Now your junk emails are worth something, so give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because, like, I'm the smartest guy in this damn business, okay? This is Online Moneymaker.